We want to get it in our calculator so that we can see what we are graphing. And I had adjusted my screen out earlier, so that's what I'm going to do, Zoom 6 and reset it. Anytime you've zoomed out or changed it, you can reset your screen. What we talked about last time was that we needed to know the x-intercept points, and we need to know the vertex point. Okay? So, just a reminder how we found those. If we're finding the x-intercepts, those are called zeros because it's where your y value is 0 for that point. So we want to find a 0. And let me go back real quick because we talked about this. If you're already on your points, it's going to make it easier to find what your x-intercept is when we do the right and left bound. So let's go ahead and be on our point, or as close to it as you can get. Then do second trace and find your 0. If it says left bound, you're already on your point. So go a little bit to the left, press enter. Go back to where you started, go a little bit to the right, press enter. You can see one arrow up there, okay, spin the arrow around it. And so we can find our zeros. We have negative 9.65, negative 9.7. So if I was putting that in my actual point here for my x-intercept, I would say I have negative 9.70, and I can put a dot over here. That's one of my points I need. On a vertex. So if I get to where it's as close as I need to be on there. Is this a maximum or a minimum? It's a minimum because it's low. So press second trace. All of our stuff comes from second trace. I want a minimum. I have my left and right bound thing again. So I'm going to go a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and so I get basically negative 4, negative 4. Okay, it's my vertex. So I have negative 4, negative 4. And from our vertex, that negative 4 point, which we're going to look at an application later, this is our axis of symmetry. So we know that this is negative 4, and it's opening up, and our max value, our minimum value, is negative 4, because it's the y value of our vertex. So this vertex right here tells us both of these two things. The only other one I need is the point that's up here on the right. So let's trace over to the other x-intercept. Remember, we got other words. It can be a 0. You may see it says a root or a solution, okay, because that's what it means. You're trying to find where's across the x-axis. So second trace, find the 0, left, right, and enter. So we get 1.7, 0. So my other point is 1.70. We can get the y-intercept either from your table or up here from your equation. It tells us it's 0, negative 2. That's the wrong place. Negative 4, negative 4 should be over here. I don't know why I stuck it over there. And now we can draw our line. That's another reason to have your y-intercept, your other points on there, because if you do get in a hurry or put something in the wrong place, you can kind of see if there's something out of line. So that would be analyzing the graph, and that's what we did last time.